What we really enjoy is that design process where we're iterating, where we're actually doing that physical output, and we're able to test the limits and the constraints of the material, as well as sort of pushing beyond those constraints.
I'm Erik Tietz.
And I'm Andrew Baccon, and we founded Machine Made.
Machine Made is a design manufacturing platform for creative professionals that enables them to take their ideas and physically produce them. What we're able to do is simplify complexity by distilling a design down into a series of very straightforward moves.
So the complexity isn't forced at the beginning, but it comes as a result of layers and layers of process.
Andrew and I have, in the past, have worked with the material Corian on a number of projects and have used it in wall cladding furniture pieces. Never has it been used by us in the traditional way, which is as countertop material.
Machine Made is not only a platform for manufacturing, but also a design service, bridging the gap between digital ideation and physical execution. With extensive experience in testing the limits of materials, Machine Made was a natural fit for DuPont's new exhibition exploring their new color collection. The result are sculptural pieces that highlight one color from each of the collections and showcase what can be done with the material in a really non-traditional sense.
DuPont kind of gave us free rein to do whatever we wanted to. The only constraints were use their new colors, but we did have the freedom to have fun with it.
For the filtered color line, we started with the heavily modeled pattern of the Corian color riverbed and overlaid it with another organic foliage pattern through a three-dimensional height field. We did a variable depth drilling operation on the CNC. It's pretty straightforward, but again, it's about how you process that image ahead of time and how you calibrate that into an effect that reads.
Really looking at the material properties of the Corian. It's also part of the image and pattern research too. So we're taking the patterning of the Corian itself, and then we're overlaying another set of pattern and image across that, wrapping it around the volume. So it's really just a monolithic piece at the end.
All the images we were working with were either from nature or organic in nature. For the deep color collection, we aggregated a series of extruded triangles about the height of a stool. Each top surface was laser etched, removing material and then backfilled with a tinted resin to produce an image that was revealed when each object came together as a whole.
So it's a combination of this very digital and very sort of labor-intense manual process.
For the final piece, we wanted to challenge ourselves by looking at using Corian at more of an architectural scale, as opposed to these discrete objects. Tessellating and panelizing, creating complex forms, and trying to use a simple set of tools to do that. We were able to generate a 3D pattern that is made out of 3 unique shapes. We're able to void out the material, shape it, and embed hardware directly into it in a way that's not readily achievable in some other materials. For us, the most successful projects are the ones where we're involved at the early stages. Translating an idea into something that can actually be made is what drives Machine Made.